Hi there, this is Chinmay. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you what is syntax. In Python, syntax refers to the rules that define the combinations of symbols that form valid Python programs. These rules govern how you write code in Python, ensuring that it is structured in a way that the Python interpreter can understand and execute correctly. I am going to share some example. Before showing some example, I need IDE. In this tutorial, I am going to use Jupyter Notebook. If you have not installed this Jupyter Notebook, then just install and through this command sudo apt install Jupyter Notebook. I already installed it, so I am not hitting the enter button for this. I am just hitting to run the Jupyter Notebook, and I am hitting the enter button. Then Jupyter Notebook is running. I am going to my browser. Okay, you can see that I'm on my browser. So I'm going to talk about indentation. What is indentation? Indentation means how you write, how you want to represent your code. Like this, a equal to 5 and b equal to 5. So if a equal b, then print successful. If I go click my run button, then I will see the output successful because this condition has been executed. Okay, I'm not talking about this, later I will talk. I am talking for indentation. Indentation means you're getting that some space here before the line, so it's automatically taken by the IDE, Jupyter IDE. When I am pressing enter, I am going to press again enter button. It's taking automatically with the space. So you can do this manually. Just place the space bar as a 4 times. Okay, and you can make the indentation just single space, using single space. Okay, if I again run the code, then I will see the output. Okay, so there is no problem on single or 4 space. So by default it's using 4 space, and most of the time 4 space are using everyone. So later I am talking for statements and expression. What is statements? Statements is some actions, complete actions, like this. A equal to 5, it's a complete actions because the value of a is 5, so that's it as statements. An expression doing some operations like this, sum equal to 5 plus 8. So it's an operation, and it's called expression because you are doing some operation through this. So later I am talking about variables and names. So variables and names calls, how you can call variables. You can use underscore, you can use number, you can use A to Z, small letter and capital letter. You can also numbers. So a, it's a variable. You can store 6, a5 equal to 5. So all are variables. So you can define a variable like this, or you can also call variable like this, a underscore v equal to 6. And I'm going to share something that if I call a space b equal to 5, then I will get an error. Okay, you can see that syntax error, invalid syntax, because I used a space inside of a and a b. So that's why I'm getting the error. So need to remove the space. Then again I'm hitting the run button. I will see there is no error. And later I'm talking about comments. What is comment? You can use in Python has commenting, you can comment single line, multiple line, like this, single line comment. Okay, I did this, just press Ctrl and slash button at the same time. So you can do this manually, just press shift and your hash button, then you will see the hash. Then after that you can write code. It's a comment. If you want to make your code comment, then select your all code, then press Ctrl and slash at the same time. This code will be comment. You want to use multiple comment in your code, then you just use hash for multiple comment purpose, line 1, line 2. Just select all, then at the same time press Ctrl and slash. So you can see that it's a multiple line comment. Okay, and you can do the same task, just pressing hash before the line. Okay, you can see multiple comment. Okay, later I'm talking about the keywords and identifiers. What is keywords? Keywords are reserved words on interpreter, and identifiers are defining the functions and variables. So I'm going to share some example for keywords. All are reserved keywords. You can see that false, await, else, import, pass, true, class, finally is a return, and continue for lambda, try. So all are reserved keywords. So you cannot use these keywords as the variables, as a functions. So and identifiers means I'm calling class name. Okay, I used name to identify the class, so it's an identifier. So I can call a equal to 5. I assigned value and a, it's a variable, so it's an identifier. So I hope you are clear. So later I'm talking about operators. In Python has many types of operators like arithmetic, logical, comparison operators, bitwise operator. Later I will talk, later videos I will talk more. So I'm just sharing some arithmetic operators, plus, minus, multiplication and division, and I'm sharing some comparison operators, equal, not equal, less than, and greater than. I'm sharing some logical operators, and, or, not. Okay, all are operators using in Python. It's using on many types of operations, many types of comparisons, many types of logical operations building. So later you will learn all. So now I'm skipping these topics. So I'm going to share white space. I remove the space. Maybe I will not get any error. Okay, you can see that I'm not getting any error. If I remove the bracket and I don't use any space, then I will get an error. Okay, if I use the bracket, I'm not getting an error. So white spaces are most important, making indentation, representing your code with a beautiful form. So that's all about syntax. So if you have any doubt, if you have any confusions about syntax, then comment down below. I will help you to understand the syntax topics. Yeah, I forget about that. Later videos I will talk about variables and data types. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow, and don't forget to share. I will motivate it, so please share.